What is this doing? Okay. What's up? Not waving, because it took a photo the last time I did that. Pokemon Grandma, alive and kicking. I know I have not posted, like, anything recently. Life has been just crazy. I need a vacation, is what I'm saying. I need a vacation that's, like, a never return to work type vacation. And from life in general. It's not just work, it's just life in general. Just give me that vacation. I don't even know if I want to do it with anybody. Just me, myself, and I. And a book, and a beach. Bye. But, or even the woods. I'll take the woods too. So, anyways, I figured I'd come on. I don't know when the next time will be that I come on. Life's crazy. So, anyways, I've got 2 Scarlet and Violet. That's it, just Scarlet and Violet packs that I'm opening today. Let's see what we get. So, I haven't done these in a long time. I have still quite the little collection, but not been on my phone as much. Just kind of doing what life needs to be, like, have done. Yeah. Alright, got a Pokeball. Got a Rotom. A Pal Pad. Whatever the hell that is. A Flabébé. A Quaxwell. An Expedient Share. I really need to play the new game. Like, I started to, and then I just didn't. But this is like a different version of a Tentacruel, and I like it. I like it. It's Toadstool, which I've never seen because I need to play the game farther than what I got. Alright, and then hey, we got 2 shinies out of this one. Oh, wait. Nope, we got 3 shinies in this pack, y'all. Alright, so we have a Flittle. Little Flittle. We have an oldie but a goodie. Shiny Primeape. Oh, yeah. And then a Professor's Research, and it's Professor Sada, or Sadia. I don't. There's no I though, so. But very, very cool. And a Basic Energy. So that was that pack. Honestly, that was a good pack. That's a good pack. I don't often get 3 shinies in a pack. Maybe that's a new thing with the Scarlet and Violet. I haven't opened many of these, so. Alright, let's see what we got next. Have any of you been playing Pokemon Go recently? A lot of cool things happening there. A lot of people are still mad at it. Bish bosh, bish bosh. There's still a lot of cool things happening there. Alright, we got a Sprigatito. We have a Houndour, blocking everyone's path from that, you know, Poke Center. A Drifloon. A Citadel. I don't know what that one is either. A Torkoal. Ooh, Breloom. That's like, honestly, that's one of my, like, favorites. I had a jacked out Breloom when it was a new Pokemon. I have no idea what this is. 3 shinies must be like the thing for Scarlet and Violet, because this one has 3 shinies too. I looked ahead. Kilowattrel. Alright. Shiny Magneton. Like it. We got a shiny Bruxish. I can't say X's, dude. Bruxish. And a Pokemon I don't know. Armarouge. That's how I'm pronouncing that. If you're not here for the cards, at least be here for the pronunciations that are slaughtered. Alright, and then a basic energy. So, yeah, I would say 2 decent pack openings. I'm interested to see what the Scarlet and Violet packs that are actually have the under Scarlet and Violet blah blah blah, not just Scarlet Violet Pokemon packs. So I'm excited to see what those will have. Keep living life, keep handling your shit, or pretend to handle your shit. And if you're opening up any Pokemon cards, show your Pokemon grandma. Keep it real, people. Peace.